Hello, scholars. Welcome. Mr. Hinkle here. And in this informational video, I am going to show you how to download Google Earth, download the file that we will need to complete these GeoTours assignments. And what these are virtual field trips to places all over the world where we get to look at and learn about geology using the technology that we can access right from our very own homes. This is a really cool program, Google Earth, and these GeoTours assignments are something that are going to help you understand the concepts and see where the geology is occurring all over our planet. So the purpose of this video is for you to get set up so you can actually complete those assignments with the right technology and with the right software. Now, I must say that in order to do these assignments, you will need access to a computer or a laptop because you cannot complete these assignments on your phone or tablet. I apologize for that, but the program Google Earth Pro actually needs to have a desktop or a laptop in order to complete these assignments. So let's get into it, shall we? I'm going to share my screen. Okay, great. So here we are. This is the page, GeoTours download tutorial. You're watching this video. That's an old one of me. I'm recording a new one currently, and it's got links to download. So first thing we want to do here is click the download Google Earth, and it takes us to a new page. Now, this is where we need to be very careful. So it's really easy to go, hey, look at that blue button up there. It says launch Earth, but we don't want that. I'll click on it. This does take us to Google Earth, but it takes us to the desktop version of it, and this will not work for our purposes. No, in fact, what we need to do is go down here, download Earth Pro on desktop. So you will click on this button, hit accept and download, and then you'll see Google Earth Pro. I download it for Mac because I'm on a Mac. It'll be a little bit different if you're on a PC. And then you will download it, go through all the steps, get the program on your computer, and it looks, oh, I gotta switch my screen share. Let me see here. Bear with me. New share. Google Earth. And it looks a little something like this. So here is Google Earth, and there are a variety of tutorials to get familiar with this. And when you first get on it, you can do some cool things like put in Fresno City College. And then it will zoom. Where's the zoom? Oh, I gotta hit search. There we go. So it will zoom all the way in. Look, oh, you can see the Basin of Ranges. There's the Sierra Nevadas, our city of Fresno. We're zooming in, and then you get a look. Wow, really cool. There's my office. This is where I am currently. Okay, great. So now we have the program Google Earth Pro installed on our desktop or laptop. This is step one. Download Google Earth Pro and get this on your machine. So you can open it up at any point and access this technology. Now, let's go back to here. Oh, okay, great. So now we're back to here, and I want to go back to the Canvas page, which you're watching this video on. And underneath Google Earth Pro, we've got the Google Earth KMZ file. This is a file format that has all of the activities that we will be doing for our GeoTours assignments. Now, click the link, automatic download, GeoTours 2E. I've downloaded a couple times, you'll see, and then click on it, and it will automatically load into Google Earth. Now let's go back to Google Earth Pro. Yes. All right. Now I'm going to get rid of that. Now you see here it says Google Earth 2E underneath temporary places, and underneath that it says My Places. Now here's the next step. After you have downloaded Google Earth GeoTours 2E, highlight it and then drag it up to My Places. This is important because this saves the files on Google Earth Pro, meaning you don't need to download them again. You've already got it. Okay, great. So next thing we do is we click. So it's hard to see here. You might need to zoom in, look real close. You need to click the box just to the left of GeoTours 2E. And you can see this little ball going left, right, click, thinking, okay, let me click it one more time. And it gave us a lot of information. So let me zoom out here. Wait, I trust it. Bear with me on this technical difficulty. Okay, perfect. So it's thinking really hard because when I click this, it now loaded every problem for every assignment in the entire thing all at one time. So let's unclick it. Oh, okay, good. Now we're back to Google Earth Pro. So to recap what we've done here, now we have downloaded Google Earth Pro onto our desktop or our laptop. Then we downloaded the GeoTours KMZ file, opened it in Google Earth, and moved it from temporary places to My Places. The last thing we did was we clicked on the box to the left of GeoTours in order to load all of the information into the program so that is ready for us to use. This is part one of the video. This is how we get the software and the program and the file onto our computer. That way we can now work through and work with the information to get where we need to go. And that is what I am going to teach in the next video. So thank you so much. I hope that you were able to download Google Earth, get the file, open them on your computer. And once you have all that, then we can move to the next video and I'll show you how to navigate through getting to the problems that you need to for the specific assignment. Thank you so much. See you again.